Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at this mathematics admission test for University of Oxford, which held on November 2022. Today we are going to look how the students will attend this question if they are from UK, India, or in Sri Lanka. Okay, first of all, first we will go into the question. The question asks, how many real solutions x are there to the equation x mod of x plus 1 equal 3 mod of x? Okay, the given answers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Within brackets, they have given a note. Note that mod of x is equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0 and equal to minus x otherwise. Okay, so they have given a note for in order to determine how the mode of x going to work. Okay, so first we will analyze this question, how the Indian students or the UK students will analyze this question. Okay, so if you are from UK or India, you can do this way. Okay, let's first consider if x is greater than or equal 0. If x is greater than or equal to 0, then x, this mod of x will be considered as plus x plus x multiplied by plus x plus 1 equal 3. Mod of x again will be considered as plus x. So this is x square plus 1 equal 3x. So x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. We know how to solve this quadratic equation. So x is going to be minus b. The b is here is minus 3. So minus b plus 3 plus so minus b square minus 3 square 9 minus 4ac. 4 into 1 that is going to be 4 over 2a, that is 2 into 1. 2. So x is going to be 3 plus so minus 9 minus 4, 5. That is within the root 5 over 2. Sorry, this is 2. So here we have two solutions. 3 uh, plus root 5 over 2 or 3 minus root 5 over 2. Both are plus values. So x is greater than or equal 0. So both are plus values. So this is validating our answers. Then we need to analyze x less than 0. Okay, x less than 0. So that time this mod of x will be considered as minus x. So x into minus x plus 1 equal 3 into minus x. So this is going to be minus x square plus 1 equal minus 3x. So let's bring this minus x square other side of this equation. So that is going to be plus x square minus 3x. When you bring this plus 1 in another side of this equation, this is going to be minus 1 equal 0. So again, we are having a quadratic equation. When we solve this, we are going to have x equal 3 plus so minus 3 square 9 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. That is going to be plus 4 over 2. So the solutions are x equal 3 plus so minus root 13 by 2. So the solution we are having here is x equal 3 plus root 13 by 2 or x equal 3 minus root 3 by 2. Okay, if you see here, this value is greater than 0. This value is greater than 0. But we are analyzing in the range of x smaller than 0. So this is not going to be our one of our solution. This is not our solutions. But if you see this, x equal 3 minus root 13 is greater than 3. So in minus range, greater than minus 3. So this value is going to be less than 0. So this is going to be one of our solution. So in x less than 0, we have one solution. When x is greater than or equal to 0, we have two solutions. So totally, we have three solutions. So our answer is D. Okay, if you are UK student or the Indian student who are sitting for the JEE examination, this is your way. But if you are a Sri Lankan A-level students who are going to sit for the GCE A level, you cannot do in this way. And your question also not going to be asked in the same way. Your question will be changed a little bit. Okay, if you are a A-level students, your question will be asked like this. Okay, they will ask the question. Okay, if you are a Sri Lankan student, they will ask the question, plot both y1 equal x mod of x plus 1 and y2 equal 3 mod of x on the same graph, and use the graph to find the solution for the equation x mod of x plus 1 equal 3 mod of x. Okay, they are not going to ask you how many solutions you are going to have for this equation. They are asking the exact solutions. Okay, we have in the previous question, we have found out we have three solutions. But here in Sri Lankan GCE level examination, you need to find out those solutions, those values. You need to give those values. Okay, so here let's plot this. Okay, let's plot this. So in order to do that one, I am going to analyze these separate two graphs. Okay, y1 and y2, I am going to analyze them separately. Okay, first let them analyze in the range x greater than or equal to 0, and another time I will analyze x smaller than 0. Okay, smaller than 0. Okay, let analyze y. So now we are going to analyze y1. Okay, in case of y1, when x is greater than or equal to 0, it's going to be x square plus 1. When x is less than 0, it's going to be minus x square plus 1. Let's analyze y2 now. Now, when x is greater than or equal to 0, that y2 is going to become 3x. Okay, when x is smaller than 0, less than 0, it's going to be minus 3x. Okay, so when we are plotting both these graph, okay, both of these graph in a same sketch. Okay, if we plot, okay, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Okay, when you plot y1 first, when x is greater than or equal to 0, in this range, it's going to become like this. Okay, and when x is less than 0, it is going to become like this. So in this range, it is minus x square plus 1. In this range, when x is greater than or equal to 0, it is going to be x square plus 1. Okay, so we have finished this part. And now we will plot 3 mod of x. So when is x greater than or equal to 0, 3 mod of x is going to become, sorry, let me restart thing. Okay, when I draw plus 3 of x, going to become like this. When I draw minus 3 of x, it's going to become like this. Okay, both of these are straight lines. Okay, both of these are straight lines. This is minus 3x. This is plus 3x. Okay. Plus 3x. Okay, if you see, these graphs are intersecting in 3 places. Here, here, and here. Okay, so when they are intersecting, this is minus x square plus 1 and minus 3x are intersecting. So minus x square plus 1 equals minus 3 of x. Okay, that is what they have asked. X modulo of x plus 1 equal 3 mod of x. So when we are plotting both of these graph in a same place, we are having three intersecting points. So we need to equal both of them in all of these three places, and we need to find out those solutions. So when we make this equation, quadratic equation, it's going to become x square minus 3x minus 1 equal 0. We have already solved this in the for the UK students and the Indian students. We got the answers as x equal 3 plus or minus root 13 by 2. We know that only the answer is x is 3 minus root 13 by 2, because it is only going to be in the range of x is less than 0. Okay, if you consider x equal 3 plus root 13 by 2, which is greater than 0, but this point is in the negative x-axis. So it cannot be our answer. So it cannot be our answer. Okay. Then we need to solve this x square plus 1 equal to 3x. So x square plus 1 equal to 3x. So when we solve this, x square minus 3x plus 1 equal 0. So x is going to be plus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 over 2. So this is 3 plus or minus root 5 over 2. Okay, so this point will become 3 minus root 5 by 2, and this point this point will become 3 plus root 5 over 2. So in GCE A-level examination, we need to find out those solutions by using the graphs only. Then only you will get the full marks. Okay, so I have shown you how we need to do this question based on your country. So if you like my effort, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share my videos with your friends. Thank you very much.